Pakistan celebrated its Independence Day on answer D. 31st January. Which country gained Independence Day in 2006? Answer D. Montenegro. Which country gained Independence Day in 1945? Answer D. Indonesia. The First World War began in which year? Answer B. 1914. The Chinese Revolution take place in? Answer B. 1911. 1917 is related to? Answer D. Russian Revolution. Dash country got independence in 1948? Answer C. Myanmar. The French Revolution take place in? Answer C. 1799. India celebrated Independence Day on dash? Answer B. 15 August. Sri Lanka officially gained its independence in which year? Answer B. 1948. The Crimean War fought between dash? Answer D. Russia and Turkey. Dash was the first woman name appeared in history? Answer D. Queen Hatshepsut. Is the oldest dynasty still ruling in which country? Answer B. Japan. The oldest civilization of the world is dash? Answer C. The Mesopotamian civilization. Who is the father of history? Answer A. Herodotus. When was Rome founded? Answer A. 21st April 753 BC. Which country started the first newspaper in the world? Answer C. China. Which country has the oldest dynasty still ruling? Answer C. Japan. Who was the king during the French Revolution? Answer A. Louis XVI. When was East India Company formed? Answer C. 31st December 1700. Who discovered India? Answer A. Vasco da Gama, May 20, 1498. Who was the first king of India? Answer C. Chandragupta Maurya. When did World War I start and end? Answer A. 28 July 1914 to 11 November 1918. Which civilization is considered the oldest civilization in the world? Answer D. Mesopotamian civilization. When did Chinese Revolution take place? Answer B. 1948 to 1952. In which country did the first Marxist revolution take place? Answer D. Russia. Where did Renaissance start? Answer A. Florence, Italy. When did Alexander the Great serve as the king of Macedonia? Answer B. 336 BC. What is the name of the autobiography of Adolf Hitler? Answer D. Mein Kampf. When did World War II start and end? Answer B. 1st September 1939 to 2nd September 1945. The Opium War ID held between which two countries? Answer B. China and England. The independence of Bangladesh was declared in Answer C. 1971. South Sudan got independence in which year? Answer D. 2011. Zimbabwe got independence in dash. Answer B. 1980. Dash was the first black republic in the world. Answer B. Haiti. Rome was founded in dash. Answer B. 1000 BC. Where did the first industrial revolution start? Answer C. Great Britain. Independence Day of United States. Answer C. 4th July 1776. Full name of Gandhi. Answer A. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The first president of United States. Answer D. George Washington. Longest river in the world. Answer D. River Nile.